Ridstar winner Ebike. Electric bikes are popular than ever. They are eco-friendly, convenient to use, and extremely versatile. You can easily fold it and carry it in your car when you are going out on an adventure. Not every foldable e-bikes are good, but we have one of the best ones today. Basic parameters: expanded size, length 1780*, width 240*, height 1050 mm. Wheelbase 1180 mm. Actual weight 30 kilograms. Mode: pure electric, electric assist, pedal. Frame material: aluminum. Front fork: hydraulic front fork. Braking system: front and rear disc brakes. Transmission system: rear drive. Tire size: 20 by 4.0. Display: LCD. Maximum speed less than or equal to 45 km/h. Endurance: 40 to 60 km. Slope less than 25 degrees. Load weight less than or equal to 150 kg. Motor parameters: motor type: DC brushless, high-speed motor. Rated power: 1000 W. Rated voltage: 48 V. Main technical parameters of charging: output power: 2A. Charging time: 4-6H. Lithium battery parameters: battery type: 18650 lithium battery. Capacity: 15Ah. The main parameters of the controller: undervoltage protection: 39V. Overcurrent protection: 25A. Packing size: 1480 to 98 10 mm.